Okay, so now let's talk about a healthy bedtime routine. So we have the best of intentions, and we're going and we're putting our kids to bed, and we make sure that they've had their physical activity. We offer a bath or a shower as a nice transition activity. And what the bath or shower does, and for many, that doesn't happen every night, and that's fine. So let's just say a visit to that same bathroom at that same time. And again, it doesn't have to be to the moment, but in terms of like transitioning from daytime activity to bedtime activities, the bath or the shower or the bathroom visit can certainly serve as a nice transition piece. Then some time in their sleep environment with their parents. 3 to 5 year olds need their parents present prior to going to bed. They just do. It's a time of where some feel more vulnerable. They're getting tired, they're putting the day behind them, and they really need parental involvement to sort of help that wind down period. I like to suggest to parents a quiet game in their room, or if that's not the parents' thing, then a quiet book or some quiet play. Perhaps it could be quiet play and then a calm book. Adjusting the lighting for the book and play, and then again adjusting the lighting to get into bed with the kids. Oftentimes parents are, certainly parents who are concerned about establishing or setting up bad sleep habits are concerned about getting into bed with their children. I think it's the best part of the day. I think absolutely close those lights, get into bed with your child, not under the covers, but get on the bed with the child, cuddle, sing, talk briefly about the day. This will set up really, really nice habits for future as they get older. And it sets up a nice rapport. And then finally, lights out. So these are our intentions, and then this is our reality. So how do we go from one to the other? How is it that we have such good intentions and then our reality is just so far off from what actually happens?